That one right there. Yep, come here first. Please, 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 please. Come on, please. Please. Pick it up right there. Pick it up out there. I might even get black wiper orange instead of the chrome. What y'all think? Get in the comments. Tell me if I should keep the wiper orange chrome or go black. What going on, y'all? I'm back. Getting ready to try to start some kind of interior installation, but y'all know the drill. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Grab this, Ryan. Don't smush it. Just hold it.
What is it?
Just find it. Don't smush it. It'll stain. It's glue.
Well, put it in.
Put it in one of them trap bags. Yo, what I'm about to do, I'm about to try to get these seats in here. Cause we gotta make room because we're doing some entertaining today. Yo, push that in here, Ryan. Be careful of that bottom part right there because it'll scratch the carpet. Hold on, y'all. Alright. Come on. Just push through. Yeah, just push through. That's it.
Can't crank it up real quick.
Nah, I ain't got no battery.
I ain't got no battery. Shaving on you know. Dude got that box shaving on. You know that. Push it.
Oh wait.
Hey.
Come up. Now push. Push over me.
Sure. Alright. Get this in right here. Oh, you wanna get all the hook? My back.
Yep.
Shit.
Alright.
It ain't take long.
What's that in the window, Bobby?
That's the
No stars in the roof.
Nah, that's the clip.
There got no stars in the roof, man.
That's the clip that go on the end over there.
No stars in the roof, you know that.
I saw it.
Alright, give me that one, Ryan. That's against the car. Nah. Put that seatbelt up first.
And truth is told, the song aggravated, but they play it so much it gets stuck in my head.
I did.
Don't get me copywritten now, sis.
You still recording?
Yeah, he was
Yeah.
going. Tell me you'll take good, bro. Yo,
I ain't gonna lock this one in.
Why?
Cause I just need to get the stuff out of the way.
Ooh, boy, I can't wait to be in the front seat anymore, boy. In the driver's seat. Not the front seat, but the driver's seat. Right.
Already coming together, guys.
Don't mute me either. Don't take me out. What they hear me talking.
I mean, they can hear you talking all you want them to hear you, but you actually driving is, you know.
I'm good, man. I'm finna be riding.
Alright. Bring me that one. You should be. You want that one right there. Yep, come here first. Please, 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 please. Come on, please. Please. Pick it up right there. Pick it up out there. Yep. Come on. Hey!
Little thing.
Stay over here.
Oh. What about that one?
need a light of some sort. This right here, this the hard part.
How you sweat?
Boy, what? I got 1 in, 2 in. Alright. Ryan, hold this down. Just put your hand on it, something, cause I gotta go get the boat. Starting to look like a car. Ain't it?
I got stuck in.
Now I gotta remember where my stuff was, y'all. Probably should have did that
I
first.
don't remember where your stuff at.
Yeah.
I tell you, bro. Where's hot?
Stay in one of these boxes.
I'm just trying to figure out, because this is what I really want to see. Like, in there. Like, yeah.
Technically, I could put the stuff in there, but I don't want to wake up tomorrow and then be done shifted.
On my leg, I'm hanging.
You don't want to be boxes. No, that ain't it. Talking about leaving, this is Sagittarius.
You talking about yes, no, never, 2K?
Huh?
Hello, buddy. Huh?
Oh, I thought
Hey!
I know it's over there.
Chill out, chill out, chill out.
Huh?
None.
What do you say?
What?
Bruh. Bruh.
I told you the Sagittarius. As soon as it clicked, I was like, I know what it is.
Oh, it's softball too? Oh. Okay.
My bad. Alright, give me that light. Just give me the light. I just need the whole. I really wanted to put it on the inside. Yeah, I got some of this carpet ain't done with me on it. Alright, so now. Your little elbow grease.
Yeah, like you ready now, so ha ha.
Your little elbow grease, you see.
Like you ready now.
Alright.
Boy, I can't wait to drive them up, boy.
Come again. Come again. Come
They
again.
gonna keep with that in the atmosphere.
No. No plan.
You will.
What you mean? Well, I'm not leaving. Man.
Easy they doing things pure step first now.
Got it.
You know what? I'm just gonna leave. Burn the console. Well, I'm just sweating all on my seat. Alright. So just push it in.
You got a towel out, you can wipe
Just push it on. Push it on.
Push it what?
Just push it on.
What you mean?
Just push it on. Yeah.
Like that?
Under there. Go that way.
Oh.
Yeah, just like that.
Alright, we getting somewhere, y'all. Yeah.
Yup.
Yeah. Alright, bet. Like how my car look.
This kid is so funny. Dang, this joint really coming together, yo. It's crazy. Just look at it funny. Ooh, look at it. Ooh, wait. Ooh. Yeah. I'm not even gonna worry about boating this one now because I ain't got it. Come on, phone. I just need to get me a picture. On this side. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. I need a box of some sort. Not that one. Give me one. Give me the CT side. Give me them 2 square boxes on top of that compressor. Take the top box off and give me the 2 square boxes.
That's it.
What your sister when she see? Who? Lex? Lexi think did her car too. Oh.
That one broke it down real quick.
I ain't cause the track. I ain't even put the track on. I ain't put the track on. Track on.
So you, it's not even cool.
Yeah. Here you go, guys. Oh yeah, that's gonna be real player. You already? Well, you replace the music. Y'all already seen the stars. I don't have the appropriate battery pack to hook it up, but it's the interior, man. I want to sit in it so bad, but I ain't got no doggone track on there, and I know my look. I'll be all over the place. So, official preview. Test fit. Now mama happy stuff out of her living room. And the host of the party trying to leave. Ain't that song? QR code still on there.
That's my 5.
Tag still on there.
Are these your Sharpies? Yeah, but they can stay here. Okay. I just was labeling
And go to
that stuff that I got from mom.
pillar trim. I got it. So you see that? They got the orange right there. Trimming the headliner.
Yeah, so I put it.
I seen it. I go to pillars. So I put that back. This go right here. Go right there. So everything pretty much orange except for the head and the carpet. This gonna be orange. The whole dashboard gonna be orange. Mm-hmm. All these trim pieces that come around here, they orange. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that black. I might even get black wiper orange instead of the chrome. What y'all think? Get in the comments. Tell me if I should keep the wiper orange chrome or go black. You can see I changed the door seals to black. I painted that was sealed. So yeah guys. And I still gotta get the chrome piece for that. And this is what we got. I think no seatbelt's gonna be what set it off. That black seatbelt complementing like these piping, these black piping and stuff. Yeah. You start seeing stuff come together, it's magical. But yeah, this a short video. This is a short video. I just wanted y'all to see the test fit of the full interior, well the seats, not the full interior. So till next time guys, peace.